Hello everyone. Welcome to A+ Healthy Lifestyle. The goal of this channel is to help everyone easily understand the health knowledge shared by experts, scholars, and doctors from around the world. Japanese plastic surgeon Dr. Motoharu Hokujo and Japanese regenerative medicine specialist Dr. Manami Hani ask everyone to stop doing these completely erroneous beauty methods. If you don't want to damage your skin and waste money, pay attention to the following introduction. The first misconception is using yogurt as a face mask. Dr. Hokujo says there are different types and qualities of yogurt on the market. Some are sticky, some are sour, some have added sugar, some have live lactic acid bacteria, and some have dead lactic acid bacteria. Simply saying to use yogurt, it's unclear what kind to use. Dr. Hokujo believes anyone who suggests using yogurt on the face is definitely not an expert. The second big mistake is stem cell beauty products. Dr. Hokujo says those who recommend stem cell beauty products certainly have no medical knowledge and do not understand what stem cells are. Dr. Hokujo says there is no scientific basis for stem cell beauty products, and stem cells cannot have beauty effects. Our editor also found some articles in the National Library of Medicine indicating that the efficacy of stem cell beauty products is unproven. So be cautious when you see stem cell beauty products. The third misconception is wiping your face with tissues instead of towels to avoid bacteria. Dr. Hokujo finds this idea very strange. If you think your towel is dirty, he advises you to wash it daily. Dr. Hokujo says your face is full of bacteria, and washing it won't remove all the bacteria. Comparing your washed face and washed towel, your face will still have more bacteria. Using a towel with fewer bacteria to wipe a face with more bacteria, Dr. Hokujo thinks there's no problem at all. But using tissues to wipe the face can harm the skin, so don't do it. The fourth mistake is shaving downy hair. Dr. Hokujo believes, as the skin is the body's largest organ, we shouldn't damage its keratin. Shaving hair removes keratin, so Dr. Hokujo doesn't recommend it. Furthermore, Dr. Hani says during menopause, female hormones decrease and male hormones relatively increase. So some women grow coarse hair, and shaving might cause inflammation for some people. The fifth mistake is jumping into surgery without trying medication and non-surgical treatments first. Once surgery is done, it cannot be undone. The sixth mistake is double cleansing. Double cleansing involves using an oil-based cleanser first to remove makeup and oil from the face, and then using a water-based cleanser to wash the face again. Double cleansing is not suitable for older people. Dr. Hokujo and Dr. Hani emphasize that in different stages of life, we need different skincare methods. In infancy, double cleansing can cause skin cracks. From puberty to the early 30s, double cleansing is still okay as their skin produces more oil. But as we get older, under normal circumstances, the skin doesn't produce as much oil, so double cleansing is no longer necessary. However, if you are older and your skin still produces a lot of oil, Dr. Hani finds it strange. She believes it might be due to stress, health issues, or over skincare, which need to be addressed. The seventh misconception is cleaning your face with baby oil. Doctors believe that the skin's natural oils are very important. If you clean your face with baby oil, your skin's natural oils will be removed with the baby oil. If you also rub your face with tissues, this will damage the skin. After all, baby oil wasn't invented for facial cleansing, so doctors advise against it. The eighth misconception is vitamin C drips. Indeed, vitamin C can be an antioxidant and stabilize blood vessel membranes, but the body only absorbs the amount of vitamin C it needs. Injecting a large amount of vitamin C into your body is pointless because the body cannot absorb it all and will excrete the excess. Therefore, putting a lot of vitamin C into your body is meaningless. The ninth misconception is treatments that clean out your pores. Doctors believe that this practice is too harsh on the skin. For people under 30, it might be okay, but for those over 50, including Dr. Hani who has tried it herself, the skin becomes slack after the treatment, which was quite alarming. Using nose strips can also enlarge pores permanently. So, if you want to use these methods to clean your pores, consider your age. The last misconception is exfoliating scrubs. These scrubs contain particles that are used to rub your skin, which actually damages the skin. Although the skin of teenagers and those in their 20s can easily recover, it's still not good to damage the skin this way. Doctors advise against using exfoliating scrubs. So remember, first, don't use yogurt as a face mask. Second, when you see stem cell beauty products, don't be fooled. Third, don't worry about towels because your face is dirtier. Fourth, don't shave downy hair. Fifth, don't rush into surgery. Sixth, don't double cleanse. Seventh, don't clean your face with baby oil. Eighth, vitamin C drips aren't necessary. Ninth, don't do pore cleaning treatments, and if you're over 30, don't use nose strips. 10th, don't use exfoliating scrubs. If you have done any of these skincare mistakes, feel free to share your experiences and subscribe to A+ Healthy Lifestyle. Share this video with your family and friends. The reference links for this episode are provided in the video description. See you in the next video.